Hey everyone, welcome to Dominic's Flicks. I'm at my mom and dad's house tonight. I got in a big fight with my wife, and she said that I talk about Blu-rays too much and that my channel's stupid. She says she doesn't even watch the show and that I'm wasting my time. I told her I'm gonna be big someday. I'm gonna be the biggest Blu-ray unboxer there ever was. That's what I told her. She says that I'm crazy and that I should go get a real job. I said unboxing Blu-rays is a real job. And she says that I'm just a lazy loser. She wanted me to get out of the house. So she kicked me out of the house. But you know what? Someday she's gonna get it. When I'm making that big unboxing Blu-ray money, she'll get it then. But for now, right now, she don't know. Not like you two viewers. You guys know what's up. Because you're smart. Now, I was able to get one Blu-ray out of my house before I was kicked out. Alright? I got it around here somewhere. I gotta be real quiet though, because I don't want to wake my mom up. Alright? She's got diabetes, and she's always in pain and stuff, so. And she's an alcoholic too. And she's always yelling, especially if you wake her up at night, so I gotta be real. Alright, so I think I got a good Blu-ray to show you tonight. Alright, let's see what we got. And tonight's Blu-ray of the day is, this is called the Black Society Trilogy. It's released by Arrow Video. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this movie is, but you know what? It's the Blu-ray of the day though. Alright. Black Society Trilogy. Alright, it's a nice case. There's the back. Check the back out. I would open it up and show you the disc inside and stuff, but this is sealed, so why would I unseal it for two people? Huh? Maybe if I had 40 subscribers I would unseal this. I ain't unsealing it for just one. I ain't unsealing this for just nothing, man. You want me to unseal this? What do I get, man? What do I get if I unseal this disc? Huh? I'll unseal this stuff when I watch it. Alright, so I think the coast is clear. So I think this movie is called The Black Society. It's 3 movies. You got 3 movies. What's going on? There they are. Okay. So you got 3 movies here. You got some Japanese stuff, man. You got some Japanese movies. Don't know anything about all this stuff. Never seen any of these things, so that's good. I'm glad I'm talking about it, because I'm just brimming with information for you about it. It's 3 movies in one though. Alright? I don't know about movies like this, you know. I know about like movies like Gremlins and stuff. Remember that movie? Where you don't feed them after midnight? Remember that? I could use a bite right now though. I'm hungry. I turn actually into a monster if I don't get some goddamn food. And I haven't had no dinner tonight because I got kicked out of my house, so isn't that nice? I don't want to go out there and make a sandwich because my mom, she might throw something because she's crazy angry all the time because she's got this big old leg. It's like purple. She's got a big purple leg. It's a big deal. She got to take stuff for it. They might have to cut it off. So she's mad about it. She's mad about having to lose her leg. And I'm always calling her one leg. She got all mad because I called her Stumpo. You know? Get over it, Mom. So now I can't even get up and make a sandwich? I can't get up and make a sandwich just because it's what? 2:30 in the morning? So what? Anyway. Remember Gremlins? That's one of my favorites growing up. I never watched no Kung Fu, but I was watching some Gremlins. Yeah. And Police Academy, remember Police Academy? Dun 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 dun. Alexa, turn off Larry. I think they heard something. I better be quiet. My mom gets real mad because she says, you're 47. You shouldn't be unboxing Blu-rays every day. And Mom, you sound just like my wife. Isn't it anybody on my side? And that's when I remember you guys. You guys understand. You guys know about Blu-rays and the importance of Blu-rays. And that's why I love you guys. I mean, I know one of you subscribers is probably just like one of my old girlfriends, you know, like laughing at me. But I'm sure one of you guys is good people. Even my mom won't watch my shows. She says they're a waste of time. She says Blu-rays are obsolete. You could just get them digitally now. Why would anyone want a Blu-ray? You know what I tell her? I say, you don't know about slipcovers, Mom. You don't know about slipcovers. You don't know about special features. You just don't understand. You don't understand, Mom. That's what I say to her. My dad, he don't care, because he's like this. He's real angry. He's like, he's always angry about everything. he just gets angry about everything, so. Anyway, I want to thank you for... Thanks again for watching Dominic's Flicks. Don't forget, tonight's Blu-ray day is Black Trilogy Society. I'll watch it someday and let you know if it was any good, alright? Alright. I think I'm gonna go try to make that sandwich, man. I'm gonna take the risk because I'm starving. Alright? I put in a hard show just now. I deserve a sandwich, man. I put in another hard Dominic's Flicks. I think I might even put a pickle on it. Don't forget again to tune in to my I'll be back next time, hopefully, if I still have a house. Otherwise, I'll have to show you the same Blu-ray over and over, because this is the only one I got. It's the only one that I smuggled out of my house, is this trilogy. So, won't be much of a Dominic's Flicks without some flicks. So, hopefully I'll be back home after my wife sees the error of her ways. Alright? I want to thank you for watching Dominic's Flicks, though. Don't forget. If you like Tatatsu, the Iron Man, you'll love the Black Trilogy Society. Alright? Stuff will blow your mind away. That's what I heard. Alright? Black Trilogy Society. Better than Gremlins. Alright? Better than a ham sandwich in your basement. Three fun movies. This is some action-packed movie about... This is three action-packed movies, actually, about a Japanese man who is completely accepted because he sells Blu-rays out of a box. This is three movies. My favorite movie is about a Japanese man who has his own dreams of making it big, showing people his favorite things, and his wife and his mom totally accept him. It was called The Supporters. Can you imagine? Black Trilogy Society is released by Arrow. Alright. This is the DVD and not the Blu-ray. I'm too poor to afford the Blu-ray. Alright. Especially now that I don't have a home. Alright, so thanks for watching Dominic's Flicks. Today's Blu-ray of the day was Black Trilogy Society with three classic Japanese movies. Alright. Check it out. And check out my upcoming videos. Hopefully I'll be back home, or maybe my next video will be from by a trash can in an alleyway. I don't know. We never know. You never know about Dominic's Flicks. So thanks for watching Dominic's Flicks, the eccentric collector's channel.